Today we're diving into the delectable world of Krispy Kreme and Dunkin' Donuts, also known as Dunkin'. We'll be comparing these two iconic chains to help you make an informed decision whether you're a fan or considering a franchise on what business might be the best for you. We'll also be using our trusty franchise comparison tool to give you the most accurate information that we developed at Vetted Biz. But before we dive into the details, make sure to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our valuable updates. Let's jump right in. So let's kick it off with the journey of Dunkin' Donuts. Started back in 1948 in Massachusetts. Their donuts and coffee combo has become a ritual for many, especially in New England and now beyond. With the addition of Baskin-Robbins, their annual revenue has skyrocketed. In 2003, Dunkin' Donuts even recalibrated their focus towards donuts. Back in the early 2000s, they recalibrated their focus towards coffee, giving Starbucks a run for its money. Now, let's talk about the sweet success story of Krispy Kreme that started 11 years before Dunkin' Donuts. Founded in 1937 by Vernon Rudolph, who stumbled upon a remarkable donut recipe. This chain's journey is nothing short of legendary. From a small enterprise in Nashville, Tennessee, to now an international sensation, Krispy Kreme has left an amazing mark in the culinary world. When it comes to investing in a franchise, the financials matter. Krispy Kreme offers a range of investments anywhere from $620K to $4.3 million, including a franchise fee of $18,750. On the other hand, Dunkin' has a higher franchise fee, $50K, but you can get in for a lot less, anywhere from $100K to $1.8 million. $100K is going to be more operating in, say, a food court or at an airport, and $1.8 million is going to be more of a freestanding drive-through location. Dunkin' Donuts does have slightly higher ongoing fees, and note that Krispy Kreme does have a lot of corporate locations. So in effect, you are competing with Krispy Kreme in terms of resource prioritization, whether they are providing support to you as a franchisee or their own corporately owned and operated locations. Where Krispy Kreme is in the hundreds, Dunkin' Donuts is in the thousands, with just in the United States over 8,000 locations, most of those franchised, where Krispy Kreme stands at about 370, with just over 100 of those with franchise ownership. So Krispy Kreme more in line with a Starbucks, where they're corporately owned and managed, Panda Express corporately owned and managed, very few franchise locations. In terms of donut dominance, in 2020 alone, over 63 million Americans indulge in Dunkin' Donuts' delectable offering. That's a testament to their widespread popularity. So what makes Krispy Kreme stand out? Between 2012 and 2017, Krispy Kreme saw nearly a 65% increase in worldwide locations, while Dunkin' Donuts grew by about 20%. Both companies continue to expand, showcasing their enduring appeal. Krispy Kreme has partnerships with different grocery chains, McDonald's. Dunkin' Donuts is mostly selling through their franchise locations. Now, it's important to address their challenges. Despite being in the QSR, the quick service restaurant industry, Krispy Kreme holds a relatively small market share compared to industry giants such as McDonald's, such as Starbucks. This means potential franchisees need to be careful when considering an investment, especially in a player that holds a pretty small market share in the wider industry. And there you have it, a little snippet of Krispy Kreme, Dunkin' Donuts. Also on the Vetted Biz website, we have the payback period calculation, midpoint investment amount, a lot of other financials about the franchisor, the brand, as well as the unit level economics of the franchisee, square footage requirements for our real estate friends. All that you can check out on the franchise comparison tool. Check out comparing McDonald's to Burger King, Popeyes to KFC. All different types of franchises. You can compare apples to apples or even apples to oranges, comparing franchises across different industries.